Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids! Welcome to today's fun learning video. In this video, we are going to learn about baby animals and what they are called. Did you know that every animal's baby has a different name? For example, the baby of a cow is called a calf, and the baby of a hen is called a chick. So let's explore the cute world of baby animals together and learn all their special names. The child of the hen is a chick.
Chick.
Yay!
A chick is a tiny, fluffy bird that hatches from an egg. The child of the cow is a calf.
Calf.
Yay!
A calf drinks milk from its mother and grows into a strong cow or bull. The child of the goat is a kid.
Goat kid.
Yay!
A kid is playful and loves jumping around on the farm. The child of the sheep is a lamb.
Lamb.
Yay!
A lamb has soft wool and follows its mother closely. The child of the horse is a foal.
Foal.
Yay!
A foal stands and walks just minutes after birth. The child of the cat is a kitten.
Kitten.
Yay!
A kitten is tiny, cute, and loves to play with everything. The child of the dog is a puppy.
Puppy.
Yay!
A puppy is friendly and full of energy and love. The child of the duck is a duckling.
Duckling.
Yay!
A duckling can swim soon after it hatches. The child of the pig is a piglet.
Piglet.
Yay!
A piglet has a small snout and loves rolling in mud.
The child of the elephant is a calf. Calf.
Yay!
An elephant calf uses its small trunk to explore the world. The child of the horse is a foal.
Foal.
Yay!
A foal stands and walks just minutes after birth. The child of the lion is a cub.
Lion cub.
Yay!
A lion cub learns to hunt by playing with its siblings. The child of the tiger is a cub.
Tiger cub.
Yay!
A tiger cub stays close to its mother for safety. The child of the bear is a cub.
Bear cub.
Yay!
A bear cub loves climbing and playing in the forest. The child of the rabbit is a bunny.
Bunny.
Yay!
A bunny has long ears and hops around quickly. The child of the chicken is a chick.
Chick.
Yay!
A chick follows its mother hen everywhere. The child of the camel is a calf.
Camel calf.
Yay!
A camel calf can survive in the desert with little water. The child of the donkey is a foal.
Donkey foal.
Yay!
A donkey foal has long ears and a loud hee-haw sound. The child of the deer is a fawn.
Fawn.
Yay!
A fawn has white spots that help it hide in grass. The child of the monkey is an infant.
Baby monkey.
Yay!
A baby monkey clings to its mother tightly. The child of the kangaroo is a joey.
Joey.
Yay!
A joey lives in its mother's pouch until it grows. The child of the panda is a cub.
Panda cub.
Yay!
A panda cub is born tiny and grows into a gentle giant. The child of the frog is a tadpole.
Tadpole.
Yay!
A tadpole lives in water before turning into a frog. The child of the owl is an owlet.
Owlet.
Yay!
An owlet has big round eyes and stays in the nest at night. The child of the eagle is an eaglet.
Eaglet.
Yay!
An eaglet learns to fly high with its strong wings. The child of the swan is a cygnet.
Cygnet.
Yay!
A cygnet has gray feathers that turn white as it grows. The child of the fox is a kit.
Kit.
Yay!
A fox kit is curious and learns to hunt from its mother. The child of the giraffe is a calf.
Giraffe calf.
Yay!
A giraffe calf can stand within an hour of birth. The child of the hippopotamus is a calf.
Hippo calf.
Yay!
A hippo calf can swim right after it's born. The child of the crocodile is a hatchling.
Hatchling.
Yay!
A A hatchling comes out of an egg and stays close to its mother. The child of the penguin is a chick.
Penguin chick.
Yay!
A penguin chick stays warm under its parent's body. Wow, great job, kids! Now you know what we call the babies of different animals, from the tiny chick to the playful puppy. Each animal baby is unique and adorable in its own way. Keep watching and keep learning something new every day.